In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block unknown numbers on WhatsApp. If you're tired of random pings, spam calls, or messages from people you don't recognize, this walkthrough will help you lock things down quickly while still letting real contacts reach you. First, open WhatsApp on your device and make sure you're on the main screen. If an unknown number has already messaged you, open that chat. In the top right, tap the three dots, choose More, and then tap Block. This immediately prevents that number from calling or messaging you again. The person won't be notified that you blocked them, and you can always unblock later if needed. If you see an option to report, use it only when the message is clearly spam or abusive. Next, let's add a broader layer of protection so you don't get interrupted by unknown callers in the first place. Go to your settings, then tap privacy. This is where WhatsApp groups the controls that keep your activity, profile details, and interactions more secure. Scroll down and select calls. Here you'll find a setting designed specifically to cut down on interruptions. Turn on the switch next to silence unknown callers. With this enabled, calls from numbers you haven't saved won't ring your phone. They'll still show up in your call list so you can review them later, but they won't disrupt you in the moment. This is great for stopping spam while still giving you a chance to spot legitimate missed calls, like from a delivery driver or a new colleague. Now, for messages from people you don't know, we'll tighten things further. At the bottom of the menu, tap Advanced. This section provides extra controls that go beyond the basics. Turn on Block Unknown Account Messages. This helps prevent unsolicited texts from accounts you haven't interacted with or saved, reducing the clutter in your chats and lowering the risk of scams slipping through. If you regularly connect with new people, you can revisit this setting anytime and adjust it to match your comfort level. That's it. You've blocked a specific unknown number directly from a chat, silenced all unknown callers so they don't ring through, and enabled an advanced filter to block messages from unknown accounts. For best results, keep your contact list up to date and periodically review your privacy and call settings to make sure they reflect how reachable you want to be. If menus look slightly different on your device, look for similarly named options in privacy and calls. Thanks for watching and enjoy a quieter, safer WhatsApp experience.